Today on Design, Build, and Fix, another command on how to use Sketchup. Today's video is on the move command. Remember, if you like the content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. So, let's jump right into it. Alright, so now we're moving into some of the commands that are going to make a big difference in what you can do and draw in SketchUp. And so the first one we're going to talk about today is the move command. But before we get into that, let's go ahead and take a look at this house that I designed in the front porch. And coming here shortly is the follow me tool. And if you take a look here, you can get a lot of detail in SketchUp using the follow me tool. And that's going to be coming up here very, very shortly. But today what we want to do is talk a little bit about the move command. Now the move command, there's two ways of doing it. You can pre-select what you want to move or select it after the fact. So if you pre-select something, and I'm going to go ahead and select this line, I have the ability to move it from the end point, the midpoint, or the other end. Now I'm going to grab the move command, which is going to be this one, and I can click it here, and once I click, I can move it to wherever I want. All right, now usually when you move something, you move it from the point where I move it from is the same point you want to attach something to. So for instance, if I want to attach it to that side over here, that's where I would do it. Now if I wanted the midpoint of this line to go on the to go here, I would move it there. And if I wanted the end of this to go over here, I would go like that. Okay, so let's move this back out. Now if I were to not pre-select this and I click here, what it's going to do is it's going to only allow me to move the one part of it on the end. It's just going to rotate it. So that's the big difference. Now I can also move these lines. I'm going to want to pre-select them. I'm just going to drag a box around it. They're pre-selected. Grab the move command, and I'm going to grab the move command. And what's going to find, I want to move it from here, and I want to attach it to there. All right, so I'm actually going to move it. The point I want to move it from is the same point I want to attach it to something. All right, so let's undo that. Now the next one, let's say for example I want to move this whole porch. Now this whole porch has been created as a group, and we're going to show you that here very shortly in another video on how to create groups, but right now it's already in a group. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pre-select it. I almost always pre-select what I want to move. Then I'm going to grab the move command, and if I want the back corner of this porch to be on the front of this, I'm just going to zoom in, and I'm going to grab it from here, and I'm going to zoom back out, and I'm going to come back over here, and I want that to go on that corner. I'm going to get the dot, and as you can see, let me just unselect it. As you can see, that's been moved. All right, thanks for watching another video. Hope you found this content important and useful. Remember, if you like the content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hope to see you on the next one.